Hey, the inside may be nice and shiny, but it now has codes and it won't start. What happened? We're going to find out next.
This video is sponsored by Auto Value and Bumper to Bumper. Visit us online for more information.
Hey, this tech tip comes from a bunch of different manufacturers, and it is in regards to cleaning the interior of the vehicle and some of the problems that they're seeing. They're advising not to use cleaners or excessive amounts of cleaners that can get inside the contacts of a switch, a connector, or other electrical components. What happens? Well, the contacts, they get contaminated and they can no longer make a connection. This can happen on a lot of vehicles, especially ones that are a little bit over detailed. Also, if the customer has spilled juice, coffee, or other stuff in the center console and it's gotten to a couple switches, maybe even the shifter, replace the component. Don't try to wash these things out because chances are you're making the problem even worse. So, make sure it's clean, but not too clean. I'm Markel. Thank you very much.